So please welcome to the stage Roslyn Young-Daniels, Leslie Garcia-Fontenot, and Corinne Corbett.
Okay. All right. So everyone in the back, please know that there are seats up in the front that you don't have to stand.
Yes.
And also a quick message to the Black men and the men of color that we love. Please get your PSA taken. Stats
PSA.
show that 1 in 7 Black men in their lifetime will have prostate cancer. We're not saying it's going to kill them, but you want to get screened early and catch it early before it becomes advanced. So the men in this room, and we want to congratulate you all because we have a great showing of men of color today. So give yourselves a round of applause.
The PSA testing is outside. Mount Sinai is conducting it at the mobile unit. Please visit the mobile unit outside this area.
All right, so we're just going to have a little bit of girl talk right here with two of my favorite people. So just a couple of things. Leslie and I are joined at the hip. She is our senior VP. We were also college seniors together. So we've known each other a long time. So I'm just saying all that to say, when you're starting something and you want to grow and you need support, just sometimes you got to look no further than your friendship circle. And I was delighted when Leslie was able to give me advice and jump in and support the mission and the vision.
Yes, and of course, this mission and vision is so important to me, being a person of color that has actually had family members that have struggled with health, wellness. It's really, it's overwhelming to see all of you here being screened, taking in the information. I'm a native New Yorker myself, so I'm so happy to see everyone that's come out today.
So does the audience know how long Black Health Matters has been around? Roslyn, please tell the audience how long Black Health
Wait,
Matters
if
has
anybody
been
can
around.
guess correctly, I have a prize for you. Anybody know how long Black Health Matters has been when it was formed?
Right there in the front.
Who knows the answer? Is that our super fan that knows the answer? Hold on a second.
Our super fan?
I said 13 years since 2012.
32 years.
That is correct. And tell them who
Right,
you are,
a
because this
super
is our
fan.
super fan.
Hi, I'm Dolores Smith Johnson, selected super fan for this session.
Woo! She came all the way from Atlanta.
Yes.
Fantastic. We love it. We love it.
And Roslyn, tell us why you started Black Health Matters.
I have several versions of that story. The condensed version was I was just sick and tired of seeing Black people not getting what they needed in terms of health care. So I had loved ones that just died too soon. And I was mad. And when I was trying to understand why it was happening, no one could answer my questions. Then I understood it was bigger than myself and my family. It was systemic. And that basically there were no mechanisms in place for Black folks to really get the respect and support that they deserve when they are entering into the healthcare system.
So I can't help but be reporter mode right now. So what do you think of today? Now, and how it has grown into 13 years later?
Words cannot express what I feel right now. I've been waiting for you all. You didn't know it, but at night I was waiting to meet you. I prayed for you. I prayed for myself, my family, and I knew that I would see you one day. And I just want you all to know, you are the face of this new movement towards health equity, getting what we deserve, and living a quality life free of disease, free of that burden. This is a new paradigm for us, and you all are you're the leaders of it. You're going to go out push boundaries, talk to people. You're going to be very intentional when you speak to your healthcare providers. Watch out, world.
So you are the response of what these two women have built. Give them a hand. You are the response to what these two women have built. Give them a bigger hand than that.
One of the things I'd like to share with you that's so important, in addition to this summit and 3 other summits we do during the course of the year, we also host workshops in local communities. We've been in New York in the last year about 3 or 4 times doing mammograms, pre-mammogram visits all across the city. We also host events around mammograms in other cities. We do educational events in locations like Charlotte, Raleigh, and the like. And if you want to find out and also share with your friends more information about where we'll be, please visit us on blackhealthmatters.com. Make sure you sign up for our newsletters. We have an event page where it showcases all of the activities we're doing around the country. And this is important because so many people are losing health insurance. They don't have access to care. And so we want to bring this to the whole country, really.
All right. So everybody heard that? It's not just events like this. It is the mammograms. It is the workshops. It is
Webinars. We have virtual
It
events.
is the newsletter. It is the website. It is ongoing information. And it is more important than ever that we get the information out there because you know what's happening out there. Stuff, health insurance is going away, Medicaid, Medicare, access. So we are making sure that we want to get the information to you. It's our responsibility more than ever. We feel it is important to be the conduit to give the information to you. It's our responsibility.
And then one last thing, sorry, I just thought about. We are starting a community health ambassador program. And so what we would like to do is identify individuals that are providing support services for various diseases in their community, whether it be prostate cancer, breast cancer, that would like to come along and help us host workshops. So today, downstairs in the clinical trial corner area, we are signing up people that might be interested in clinical trials on prostate cancer, on eczema, and not just really the clinical trial, but to host a workshop or to be an ambassador, really, to help us share this information. So if you have an interest in that area, we have a sheet with the QR code. We have it in the lobby area. You can use that QR code to sign up. We'll contact you. Or if you're interested in hosting a workshop with us, please contact us at info@blackhealthmatters.com and express what indication or area of interest you have. So we're looking to spread the word, and we need ambassadors around the country to help us do that.
Leslie said that she's interested in looking for ambassadors for health ambassadors, right?
Community
Community
ambassadors that might be patients of whatever the area is, whether it be ulcerative colitis, IBDs, whether it be prostate cancer, breast cancer. So we're looking for community health ambassadors to help us put on workshops, spread our toolkits to provide education and information to the broader patient community.
All right. So I also wanted to share that when we were looking for an editor, it was very hard to kind of find the one that's the right fit. But then you see people who you've been following. So I was a big fan and am a big fan of Essence Magazine. I would see Corynne. I'm a big reader of Real Simple. I was happy to see Corynne's name there. And so I reached out to Corynne on LinkedIn and I said, we have an editorial position. I would love to speak with you. And hence, here she is. So we're just so excited because of her years in service to Black women through editorial. So again, from Essence, from a service perspective, they want to give you a hand, Corynne.
Okay.
In fact, do you all have the 50th anniversary, that 55th anniversary of Essence magazine, the one with Susan Taylor? You will see Corinne Corbett in that magazine.
Awesome. We have a question from the virtual audience. They would like to know, where is the next summit? And are you going to be doing these in 2026 as well?
Next summit will be in Charlotte, North Carolina on November 15th. So fly on down. You all can get a bus. All right. We know you'll come. So yes, November 15th in Charlotte, North Carolina, Friendship Missionary Baptist Church.
And if you're in Atlanta, Deshaun Johnson, the guru of abs, will be having a bus of people coming to our Charlotte summit. I think he has
there will be
two bus loads coming from New Birth and another location down to Charlotte. So you can also contact at info@blackhealthmatters.com to find out about traveling with Deshaun down to the Charlotte summit.
Another question, how can I become a patient advocate?
Yay! So contact us at info@blackhealthmatters.com. We will get your information. Please include your name, phone number, area of interest, and we will contact you.
The other thing that we're interested in, both in person and with our virtual audience, is in your story ideas. So if you have story ideas that you'd like to see on the website, or if you're here in person, come see me. If you are online, you can write to editorial director at blackhealthmatters.com and send me your story ideas of things you'd like to see on the website, or about, we like to tell stories from a few perspectives: patient stories, stories from the doctor's perspectives, and stories of innovation, lots of different stories. And if you have your own personal story that you'd like to tell, please reach out and tell me. I would love to hear it. I'm always curious. And if you've had something happen and something you've learned at a summit, or something that's touched you at a previous summit and it's changed your life, I'd also like to hear that. And come tell me about it.
So again, we're one of the only outlets that really has its ear to the ground of what's happening in the health and wellness for people of color. So we look forward to enhancing and growing the website with more of your stories, because you're a beacon for someone else.
Right. We tell people stories because and
Yes.
personal stories are what touch other people and change and spur action.
So we have one last question before
Well,
we get
wait,
back to.
I'm sorry. Before we ask that one last question, I really want to give our VP, executive producer, a round of applause, Deidre and Tate.
Why, thank you. So this person says, would you please reshare the info for people interested in being community health ambassadors? For those of you in the audience, you have that information in your chairs. It was this flyer and there's a QR code. We will send it out electronically to everybody online. And it says, are any summits planned in Riverside County, California? This county is about 1 to 2 hours from Los Angeles.
Definitely, we'll put it on the virtual platform, but in the interim, you can contact us at info@blackhealthmatters.com. Thank you so much for your time.
And can I just say one last thing?
Sorry.
That's just one last thing. I don't know if you've noticed, but we happen to be female owned and female run. We don't discriminate, but we're about 85% female. and we love it. So girl power. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.